Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to glow effect in Photoshop with easy and simple steps. First of all, pick the quick selection tool. And select the horn. Now press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and press Ctrl G to make a group. Click on the background layer and click on the new adjustment layer, and click on color lockup, and select Moonlight 0.3DL. Again, click on new adjustment layer and select black and white, and change opacity to 50%. Now click on the layer 1 and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and change normal to linear dodge. Add. Now click on Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blue. Select the radius 5 and click OK. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and click on Gaussian Blur and change radius to 10. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and click on Gaussian Blur and change radius to 15. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and click on Gaussian Blur and change radius to 20. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer and click on Gaussian Blur and change radius to 40. Click on New Adjustment Layer and click on Hue and Saturation. Click on Clip and click on Layer. Now adjust the hue and saturation by your choice. Here I'm choosing a yellowish color to make it beautiful and eye-catching. Click on the curves and clip the layer and adjust the curves. Then press Ctrl I and select the brush tool and brush the body accordingly. Now click on the previous hue and saturation layer, and make a duplicate layer of this by pressing Ctrl J, and drag it 2 down. Also clip this layer and add a layer mask. Now select the brush tool again and color the body concisely. Now it's time to add a sparkle. Place an image of star and change normal to screen. Adjust the image and add a layer mask and press Ctrl. I select the brush tool again and apply to the horn. Now click on Add New Adjustment Layer and select Levels. Here you have to adjust the levels accordingly. Now click on New Adjustment Layer and select Color Lockup. Here select any color lockup. I am selecting Crisp Warm Look. Now below down the opacity. Now all done. Here is the beautifully glow effect applied. Please make sure to share this video as much as you can, and also subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.